How to repair leather. If you are facing abrasions on the leather surface, just a simple recolouring is not enough due to the lack of the grain pattern in that area. In this situation, the surface repair needs to be used, which is a filler developed to seal the damaged area and recreate the original grain pattern of the leather. Apply surface repair on the damaged area by spatula, being careful not to apply too much product. Too much product will be felt on the leather surface when the work is completed. Flatten out the filler and dry with a warm air dryer. Repeat the operation until the abrasion has been completely filled out. We remind you that each layer of product must be dried well with a warm air dryer in order to avoid problems of adhesion. At this point, all that is needed is to colour the area in order to cover the repair. Once coloured, we may still see that the repaired area is flatter than the rest of the leather. In this case, in order to recreate the original grain pattern of the leather, we need to copy the grain with grain copier. We take the product and apply it on a protected area of the leather. Put the Teflon paper on top with a flat object over it to press it down and get a better print of the leather grain. This also creates a smoother surface which is easier to work with. After a few minutes, remove the Teflon paper and lift the grain copy that will now be used in recreating the original pattern of the leather.